Hello! If you can understand my English story, your English is pretty good. Wait until the end and I will test your English, okay? So, today's story is about my mother and my father's marriage. My mother is Japanese and my father is Indian. And their marriage is controversial because in Indian culture, marrying outside of India is not common. People think that two different cultures and two different languages is not a good thing. So when my dad told his mother that he wanted to marry my mom, my grandmother slapped him. And she got really angry. But over time, my dad's family slowly learned to be okay with the marriage and be happy. And recently, my mom's family from Japan and my dad's family in Singapore and India came and met after 20 years. And they hugged and embraced each other and were really happy to see each other. I think that my grandparents would have a better relationship if both of them could speak English. So I hope that I can help more people speak English so people can become friends and connect better. Okay, did you understand my English story? If yes, I am so impressed. If you understood, can you tell me what controversial means? What is something that you think is controversial in your country? What is controversial? Okay, keep practicing every day. You got this.